Let's read the story The Polar Express. On a snowy Christmas Eve, a young boy, doubting the existence of Santa Claus, lay awake in his bed, longing for the enchantment of the holiday season. Suddenly, he heard a distant sound, a thunderous noise echoing through the stillness of the night. To his astonishment, a train, the Polar Express, pulled up outside his house, its steam billowing in the frosty air. A conductor, adorned in an impressive uniform, invited the boy to join the train's magical journey to the North Pole. Entranced by the prospect of an adventure, the boy, though hesitant at first, boarded the dazzling train. Inside the Polar Express, he found a myriad of wondrous sights, a gleaming interior adorned with twinkling lights, plush seats, and festive decorations. The train traversed through a wintry landscape, gliding gracefully across snow-covered plains and through valleys, spreading Christmas magic all around. As the journey continued, the boy made new friends among the other children aboard the train. He felt a sense of wonder and excitement grow within him, believing that perhaps the journey held the key to rekindling his belief in the spirit of Christmas. Amidst the journey's joyful revelry, the train raced through a blizzard, navigating treacherous twists and turns. Through the windows, the boy caught glimpses of fantastical sights, a magical forest filled with dancing lights, a herd of reindeer bounding across the snowy landscape, and breathtaking panoramas that ignited his imagination. Finally, the Polar Express arrived at the North Pole, a shimmering winter wonderland where the festive spirit was alive in every gleaming light and snowy avenue. The children disembarked, greeted by the bustling activity of Santa's village. With anticipation in the air, the children gathered at the heart of the North Pole, awaiting the arrival of Santa Claus. Suddenly, a distant bell chimed, a sound so pure and enchanting that only those who believed in the magic of Christmas could hear it. Santa emerged, spreading joy and warmth with his hearty laughter and jolly demeanor. He bestowed gifts upon the children, making their dreams come true with the spirit of giving and generosity. The boy received a sleigh bell from Santa's reindeer, a symbol of the purest belief in Christmas magic. Overjoyed, he held the bell close, cherishing its sweet chime, a sound that faded for those who lost their belief in the magic of the holiday. After bidding farewell to Santa and the North Pole, the children boarded the Polar Express for their journey home. As the train raced through the night, the boy realized that the bell he received no longer made a sound. Disheartened, he thought he had lost his belief in the magic of Christmas. Upon his return home, he found a small package under the Christmas tree, the very same sleigh bell from Santa. When he shook it, the bell chimed clearly and beautifully. He understood that the sound of the bell wasn't lost, it was a gift for those who held the spirit of Christmas in their hearts. In the years that followed, the boy grew older, but the memory of his magical journey on the Polar Express remained etched in his soul. Each Christmas, as the sleigh bell rang its sweet melody, he remembered the extraordinary adventure that had rekindled his belief in the magic of Christmas, reminding him that as long as one holds the spirit of the holiday dear, its enchantment lives on. The end. Please subscribe to the Teddy Bear Storytime YouTube channel and select to receive all notification. Thank you.